Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here this 2003 Toyota Echo performing services and inspections. Let's go together in this video see how to inspect engine air filter. Now this is where the air box is located on this engine. It's right here actually, and all you have to do is pop these two clips, one here and one here. So I will move it this way, right? The same here, you can see the detail. What I do with it, just clip it off that way, and I should be able to move it towards to me. Now will it be loose enough? That's another thing, right? But you can already start seeing that engine air filter down there. It's always good to release this clamp with the screwdriver, right? That will be Phillips, and that will let you to move this intake pipe backwards. There's unfortunate discovery that pipe, that clamp, actually damaged here the intake part of the box, right? I can show you later the detail, but this is what allows me to get to the engine air filter. As you can see, it's fairly small, and this one is in pretty good shape. There's not much dirt there, and I believe this can still be used again. Let me show you that detail. This is the first time I see it, honestly. I never saw that intake, right? That pipe crashed, but I will say it was exactly in this spot where the clamp is. So I'm afraid somebody over tightened it and it just gave up, it collapsed. Well, that's unfortunate. And installing new engine air filter, it's obviously the reversed what we just did. Now pay attention, these edges are rounded, but there is one which is not rounded. There is also here that arrow showing you or helping you to install it correctly. If I see it will go this way, that means the arrow is going towards to the front of the vehicle. So I make sure it's nicely placed there, right? Now I can take the box and I will install it in the back. There are tabs, right? You put it in those tabs, push it down, and now these two clamps, click, right? And the other one is here, click. I have that nicely in the place. Obviously, the rest is installing here this intake pipe. I will have to look at it, right, if it's sealing correctly. This was that Phillips screwdriver, and we don't want to over tighten it again and cause more damages. And as you can see, Toyota made it pretty easy to inspect the engine air filter on this 1.5 liter engine. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed because I have a lot of Toyota tech coming your way soon. See you later.